2013 Hyundai Elantra GT, the style package. Deep blue pearl metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good Pirelli tires, tinted windows. Plenty of storage, great on gas. Nice tan leather interior, panoramic roof. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, carpeted floor mats throughout. Heated front row seats, upgraded touchscreen, Android audio unit, hands-free Bluetooth, CD player, backup camera, HD, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth, less than 85,000 miles. Come out and see us.